At the Flatirons Family Pharmacy in Longmont,
This is Jackie. How can I help you?
the phone seems to ring a lot these days. Along with COVID-19 testing, its regular clients are also coming in.
It's still going to be crazy next week.
Jen Palazzolo has owned the pharmacy for about 7 years. She's learned a lot about how prescription drugs are priced.
The price starts far above with the manufacturer, and then with all of the in-between hands.
And they do their best to help.
We really try to be alert and conscious of what the price tag is before it, is over there waiting to be picked up, and then the patient has sticker shock.
But the reality is the cost of prescription medications is rising in the U.S. A report from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development found Americans spend roughly $1,200 per year on prescriptions, more than any other developed country. But there are ways to save. It starts with your health insurance.
I help people find the best plan for them.
Annalisa Cleland is an insurance broker for Kodo Financial.
Choosing the wrong plan really has an impact on their overall financial health.
She says for people who rely on regular medications,
If you have an expensive prescription medication, I don't recommend that with an HSA. If you have a chronic prescription, look at the copay plan.
and because health insurance can be confusing, when in doubt, seek help. The next step is talking to your doctor.
Is there another generic that might be a better price through my insurance?
Is there any discounts available? Because sometimes the drug reps do leave cards in the office.
You can have your doctor try and do a formulary exception.
A formulary is a list of prescriptions your insurance company covers. Getting an exception approved means the insurance company can cover that medication, but it's a long process and it takes time. Also, before you go to the pharmacy, do some research. Look for manufacturers' coupons online, and
There are patient assistance programs available through pharmaceutical companies.
mail orders can also save money.
You'll get a 90-day supply, oftentimes for the equivalent of 2 monthly copays as opposed to just one. And it's a better deal.
If none of those work, the pharmacy may be able to help.
Ask whatever pharmacy you use if they have a discount program in place.
Or you can say, what if I just want to pay for it out of my pocket? Especially with generic drugs, those lower cost drugs, frankly, you may pay more through your insurance.
The rising cost of prescription medications is something Laura Daly knows about firsthand.
A medication I have been taking, generic, maybe cost me $5 to $10 a month, got a notice from my health insurance, and they informed me that no, that was going to be $250.
But Laura is a saver by nature, and finding deals isn't just a passion, but her profession.
I am the owner and publisher of Mile High on the Cheap. We're just out to help people who live in the Denver Boulder area save money.
When it comes to pharmacies, there's a few tricks she's learned, like shopping around.
Safeway, Target, CVS, online.
Since different pharmacies have different deals with drug manufacturers, calling around could save money. But it means more driving, and you need to make sure your medications don't interact with one another. Another tip:
In Colorado, you do not have to have a membership at either Costco or Sam's Club in order to avail yourself of the pharmacy there.
these companies buy medications in bulk, so the price might be lower. Then there's the advent of companies like GoodRx.
You can sign up with them, get a coupon, and you get a negotiated discount.
That medication that would have cost Laura $250, GoodRx got down to below $100. But there's also a bad side to GoodRx and others like it.
It's oftentimes not so advantageous to the pharmacy.
In fact, pharmacies could up losing money by filling those prescriptions. The company has also come under fire in the past for sharing patient data with Google and Facebook, a practice it apologized for and promised to change. When it comes to prescription medications, there are ways to save money, but it takes some legwork. So the bottom line is,
Don't be afraid to ask questions. We're here to help.
Megan Lopez, Denver 7.